Part 3 is here. Yay! First of all, what is that? Borg. That's a California boat.
No.
Okay. What does it stand for? It's just a boat. But it's small. Yeah, I know. At least we're both twins. But we're girls. I'm a boy and you're a girl. Boy. Let's get on it. Good idea. Good idea. Boy. Good idea. Good idea. Good idea. Good idea. Oopsies. Oops. Stop drowning. Everyone in before it lifts. This is your house. What? I said this is our house. For real? Yeah. Open this door. Let's go in. You need to enter and then 9, 8, actually 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Oh, Mercedes, she's not coming back. Mercedes, she will come back, and she will come back. She will go back. And she's done.
5, 4, 3, 2. Actually, 10 extra seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone's in. Okay, close the door.
I do happy, ma. Yeah, please get her courage. Please get her courage. See, my brother made me feel. You had a bit here.
Quiet!
You say, I'll tell my brother.
Get in!
You say, ma? My brother tell me, say, I'm working ready. You're going to go where? Young one where American people, you're going to a people call me. You say, ma, my brother give me encouragement. Oh, my brother. This is how I look at you like that. I said, I feel all kinds of things. My brother put me in the prison and everything. That's the one thing I look at him, ma'am.
No, flowing. It's low.
Eh? No. No, he said, Nandy was not. She go to the JFK airport and they say, go by. They put you in. They say, be happy, me. He's like, yeah.
Where we going up?
Happy. I give you 2. And continue to dry wrap for her, eh? And continue to dry wrap for her. Oh, because she was 200, that time for the water, I said she go over 5 there. I said, go to Junior. He says, you want it. Okay, bad there. I said, go to Junior. Told you what the water are looking for. I said, what you call Junior Nana and tell continue to call you dry. He said, my wow, yeah, I said, tell you continue to call that you are dry. I eat now you. I heard Junior get food there. She ate? Yeah.
But I guess it heavy. They eating me also want to get good.
Meta said she eat nothing for in town. Yo. Come on now. He said he want to head to the what to do. The last thing to pour his program to the state. Because you can talk to Jack and Fred that kid. But you can tell people true. Yeah. Yeah, he want to avoid to do that making argument to do now. Yeah, care to kind of remember you can get it. You want my people what you come from here to eh? Yeah. Yeah. You put it one picture up?
No, my phone. Hurry up.
Now you do it. Yeah, morning. Yeah, we're coming from eating Friday to the Indian diet. Yeah?
No.
I said, let's go.
Yeah, you want to Indian diet for checker. Somebody say, we say, man, you want to know it. They want to check the pressure. You're not supposed to
get on my back.
Then they boy here, pressure say, yeah, you try, but that, you're not supposed to worry. You say, now worry, pressure you see. They're charging $200 right away. They start charging $50. Yeah, I'm going to $50 yeah, I'm going to get $20 for it. Go put $50 yeah. And they are getting, they are getting other people. I say, okay. Yeah. Well, right there, car says, somebody says, can you $50 right now? Yes, it's a change you.
Why is it very for my story?
Yeah.
You?
I'm going to get so, you buy your heart. You heard to go to. I'll go. The two that get explained to he said they can't be a husband guy. He said, Ma, so that that girl, I was saying about she now, cool. I didn't get out more money more than anything. Eh? Yeah. Me say yeah. I say, Ma, you get out more anything. Yeah, but I finished promising her now for the TV.
Ow.
I will get paid on the
I'm supposed to take more.
No, I said
everyone,
I will get
wear your
pressure.
Several levels.
I got it 125. I will give it to her.
Take the L.
I got 100.
Two.
How much for the TV there? Why dare you? $25.
Is that 125?
Yeah.
Too big.
Well, now, $10.
Still got the
$5,
try.
right?
But it still fits.
Okay.
Ow! Ow!
$5.
Hey, change. No.
Yeah.
I'm going up. And then I'm safe. Then I fell off.
Yeah. Saya boleh buat on itu kan. Buat on itu kami jangan ada foto pa. Kira saya school close yesterday.
That wasn't yesterday. It's today.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
You want to school today?
No.
Yeah, well, yesterday, that today close. No, you see, ma, the junior A, well, $3.
Ooh, I'm safe.
Now what you know for neighbor?
Yeah, $2.
Clunk.
A big old cup. Sandra.
Grandsa!
Yeah.
Grandma!
No, that I'm saying it.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Ow.
Yeah.
No.
So they come Friday to get it over, but you will see father off. I even dog meal.
Can I have bacon? Oh, that's not bacon.
That I bought them. Yeah, when they come. Sao đi là? Allez, bon, il y a une minute.
You messed up my video.
I'm on copy. I keep on the plate with him. Oh, yeah, I'm going to say, yeah, I'm going to drink my coffee.
You drinking coffee?
Yeah, Junior, I'm on coffee.
Ow, why you push me?
Breakfast. You want to go eat breakfast?
Ow.
So, I said coffee, pancake, butter beer. I want to air today. You can that will come in now. Yeah, but you want to do what? You know, they poor came and daughter. Fresh up and make a call in the second of what you go with. And time for all the never you go to all of you. I will tell you today. I'm a year money where I could cancel and win money. I don't keep me or I are
Last video. It's time to go home.
Yeah, I'm going.
We're going home right now. Bye.
Yeah,
Yeah.